Hey guys, what's up? It's been a hot minute since I've filmed a cleaning video. So, hello if you're new. Hello if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. I don't know, it sounds weird. I haven't talked to the camera in a while. But what better way to jump into a cleaning video than this? You know, I won't let you guys down. I keep it real around here. You know, this real. Good. And there's a staple gun on my baker's rack over here, which I have redone. You want to see it? I did, yep, there's the staple gun. I did the oil rubbed bronze or bronze, something bronzed. Is this it? Aged copper. That's it. And the Rust-Oleum. I tell you what, for a few extra bucks, you get the sprayer. Well worth it. Because I don't know if I've got like arthritis in my fingers or what, but holding a spray can is like, it messes with my hands for days. But I just chalk painted the top, and I need to chalk paint that. I guess I could get all the way. Chalk paint this side right here. But guys, I haven't cleaned my kitchen in I don't know. And yes, there's ER going on in the background because Seth is at work, the kids are at school. I finally get to have my house by myself for a day. But we're gonna hop in. I don't know if I'll clean anything other than the kitchen, but the kitchen needs the most work. Excuse me. I currently am having water issues. My landlord didn't bleach my well, but my clothes are being bleached somehow. Speaking of the devil, there he was to tell me he was gonna test my water. Little do you know, I called the water department. Yep, I called the health department and they transferred me to a bigger city, so. Oh crap. Yeah, they're not too happy with him, but I think I'm going to comb out my hair real quick. Might let it air dry. I brushed it. I did a deep conditioning treatment on it. If you want to see a video on how I like take care of my hair and stuff, I also have a video on that tells you how I got my hair from like super short to like it's this much past my bra strap in a matter of a year or so. Yeah, it was like short. To me, that's short. But I've been trying to get it to grow for a while, but I do have a video on how I got it to grow so quickly. I will leave it linked below. So let's hop in and get this kitchen clean, guys. There is no shame, but I am not happy. Oh, and also my dishwasher wasn't draining, so whenever I came in here a little bit ago, there was water all over my floor. So I had to use all my towels. Guys, there's always something. And with us like buying this fixer-upper house and we're gonna live in it while we fix it up, guys, I'm telling you, it is not in the best shape, but we're just gonna fix it up slowly. So first things first, it needs a roof. It has ceiling damage on it. I'm warning you, it's not gonna be the best. So I probably won't film some of it just because it's not in the best shape. And the previous owner smoked in the house, so there's, you know, I've got to paint over that, yeah, and clean it and everything. So it's a fixer-upper, I'm telling you, but we're pretty excited. It's only a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. And Seth is going to be heading on the road, so my dad might be helping me with some of it and everything. But if you're wondering why I have shiny lips, guys, I'm sorry. I feel like I haven't talked to you in like forever. But If you're wondering why my lips are shiny, it's because I did a video about Dollar Tree Halloween costumes. So if you haven't seen it, I will also link it below because this is gonna go up Monday and that was up Friday. So hey, trying to stay ahead of the game, guys. Because here lately I have not been doing that. Okay. Let's get into the cleaning video.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm on.
I don't like boxes. I don't know. You guys have picked up on that?
When I'm home. Just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of this fire, was not aware of this nightmare. But when I stopped to see those eyes begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now, to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've gotta try it. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have the time to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'm falling asleep when I'm home. When I'm home, no way to go, no one that can see. I can see my life is crap, I have to see them too. I just live into my world, far from the pain.
Potatoes.
The field was out of reach of desire, was not aware of the start of hell. But when I stopped to see those eyes begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now, to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've gotta try. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home. I was so wrong, I was so blind, I was so dumb and out of time. I was so wrong, I was so blind, I was so If I bleed tonight, if I'm sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home. When I'm like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I hope this motivated you. If you want to see more cleaning videos, leave a comment in that comment box. Yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.